Time and again, I ask a lot of you guys, particularly stateside, about China headline risk on some of these names. And time and again, people say they're not so worried about it. But yet what we saw in Apple last night off the back of reports about China sales seemed to rock the boat and pull the rug out from under it. So is it a risk?
You know, some people do look at it as a risk. I don't look at it as a risk, right? Every time they have this China headline story and everybody panics and Apple sells off, it always recovers and, it makes up for itself. I'm not at all concerned about the China risk. And I don't own Apple because of China. I own it because of everything else it does. They make $100 billion every quarter with their eyes closed. Plus or minus $1 billion or $2 billion, but one way or the other, that's what they do. And so therefore, I don't, I see that news headline today and I see what happened at Apple. And I think to myself, okay, it's an opportunity. As a long-term investor, I see it as an opportunity. I don't see it as a risk for Apple, but look, that's me. You're going to find somebody else that goes, oh my God, it's a disaster. You're going to sell the Apple. Why? Really? Because you're worried about a slow China demand? I don't own it because of China, and I'm not going to sell it because of China.